So this is a kicker right here. Okay, so we have phase 5, which is optimize, assess. Okay, we've got all these things done. We've hit some great goals. This is a good time to kind of slow down and figure out, okay, hey, where do we want to live life? Do we want to keep on pushing to lose more weight, build more muscle, or are we good and we want to just like go back to our cruise mode or our jumpstart mode where we feel comfortable at? Where can we sustain? So a lot of times in plans, the failure is how do we come up out of that, right? Like if we're cutting carbs for a long time, right, and then we can't just add all that stuff back in. So we got to figure out how do we do this and how do we optimize this plan that we just executed? How do we come back out of that to where we can live comfortably and sustainably? So this will last about 2 to 4 weeks as we start to add more foods, get back to homeostasis or a place where we have like maintenance calories, and then find balance in our cruise mode or our jumpstart mode, and then we go from there. And if we ever want to attack this again, we can, and we can probably start somewhere like accelerate or carb cycling. So that's phase 5. That's the plan, the blueprint.